name is Sachi and this is week 1 of the One Room Challenge. Each week I plan on giving a video recap of everything we've done, so this is really exciting. This is week 1, a lot has happened already and I'm excited to share it with you guys. If you are new here, this is the house that we bought in December, and my husband and I have decided to totally gut the whole thing, room by room. You know, we don't have a big budget, we're doing most of it ourselves, but this is all original 90s stuff, so we are excited for the One Room Challenge to be tackling our master bathrooms. So what we started with was an old, outdated 90s bathroom that was totally non-functional. You would enter in and then there would be a sink on your right and then on your left would be the toilet, and they were so far away from each other, and then the closet was kind of separating the shower, and it was just really bizarre. So we knew that we wanted to restructure the flow of the bathroom. So when you do a really big project like this, my recommendation would be to spend a lot of time doing some design inspo research. I personally look at Instagram, I look at Pinterest, I search through magazines. In this bathroom, I want to have a really clean and neutral palette. I want natural wood tones. I think I want to really do like a cool accent tile, something with kind of like a pop. And the hardware, I don't know if I want to do brass or black. I'm still kind of trying to figure that out. My recommendation would be to go and get samples. The lighting in every space is different. So I found that something could look really, really perfect online, but then when I get it, it's totally the wrong color. It doesn't work well with my lighting. So that's what I've been doing for the past month or so, is I've been going and collecting different tile samples, different paint swatches, kind of creating little vision boards and trying to figure out what kind of vibe I want to go for this space. The thing that happened this week that was huge was demo. Okay, so today we're continuing to demo our master bathroom. Right now, this is the current entryway. You walk into the bathroom here. We actually want to shift that to the center of the wall. So we're actually going to be demoing all of this drywall right here, and you're going to walk in, and to the right will be a closet. So this is what it currently looks like. This is the current entryway, and we're actually going to shift it here. So all of this is gonna get removed. And then this will be the entryway. All of this is going to be a closet. So we can see it. The vision's here. We just gotta get some walls down and make it happen. So let's get demoing. All right, so this week has been really huge. We've done a lot, but we've got a lot more work to do. So if you want to follow along and see the next 8 weeks or so for all the One Room Challenge videos, go ahead and click subscribe below. I also post a lot of DIY and design tutorials. So if you like that kind of stuff, you don't want to miss out, click subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week with the next update.